Hello friends and welcome back to my YouTube channel Theta Box. So today I get the following error notification while I try to sign in my Epic Games account, and this is that message: sign in failed. If the problem persists, please visit our online support. And also they mention the error code. So how to get rid of this error message? So first of all, force close this Epic Games launcher from your task manager. And this login is only happening if your internet connection not working properly, which means that if you are using the internet via Wi-Fi router, first of all check your Wi-Fi router as well as fiber modem indicators if it shows any warning signal or not. So if your fiber modem shows any warning signal, problem with your fiber cable. So otherwise, if your Wi-Fi router shows any red color signal, problem with your DNS server. So just call your service provider. So once you check it and then open your Windows run and execute this command %local update or %. So here you can locate Epic Games Launcher folder and click to open it and click on this saved folder. So next I try to access config folder and click to delete this folder crash report client and go back to the one step. So next you can delete this webcache folder and also delete the files from this logs folder and close all the windows. So after you done these processes, and one more time you can try to access your Epic Games launcher, and this is method 1. And the second method is by simply change your DNS address. So just right click on your network icon and go to open network and internet settings and click on this network and sharing center, and here I am using the internet via Ethernet cable, so just click on it and go to properties. So here I try to access internet protocol version 4. So here I try to enter the DNS address to manually, and also tick to enable this option, validate settings upon exit, and finally click to save these changes. And this is method 2. So if both of the methods are not working, just uninstall and reinstall your Epic Games launcher. So I hope these methods will work for 100%. So friends, if you have any doubts, just comment to me. So otherwise, just leave a one like, and also my channel have a super thanks feature, so just support it. So for more tech videos, you can subscribe my beautiful tech channel Theta Box, and thanks for watching.